This is a special presentation of Manny Pacquiao's Blow by Blow. Any other use of materials, photos, and accounts without MP Promotions' consent is strictly prohibited. Previously on Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow.
Billy Ray Pate, Naelgas, is the winner of this fight. 4 rounds in the lightweight division. Ito po mga highlights ng laban. Round number 1, ito po nangyari. Maganda ang pasimula ni Atienza. And he was connecting with his left jab. Tapos yun, maganda yung right straight niya. Pero nung second round, mukhang bumalik ito si Naelgas. Especially in round number 3. Parang naubusan na si Atienza. At binuhos naman na lahat ni Naelgas. But we had some fierce exchanges. And he deserves this victory, a unanimous decision win. Gallaposo contra Ranullo. As you see, Ranullo and now Gallaposo, furious exchange. And Ranullo trying to back Gallaposo along the ropes. Gallaposo fighting back, middle of the ring. Pero magandang depensa ni Ranullo. That time, a left hand connected by Ranullo. Ito, sugod ng sugod si Ranullo, connecting with that left hand. Ito, kumonting ng napuwal, kumonting ng nahulog si Gallaposo. Under attack by Ranullo. Dalawang beses po siya going down in round number 3, but both were ruled slips. And this was round number 4 when Ranullo just poured it on and won this fight with a flourish. Ito, sabi ni Gallaposo, he was brought down or he was taken down by a hand behind the head, but that was ruled a knockdown. Ito po mga highlights ng laban. Si Sadang reporting for duty. Ito yung napakagandang suntok. Straight to the midsection. That was a right hand. Ito. Grimacing in pain was Dagle, but he did get up at the count of 6. Round number 3. Ito po ang nangyari. First punch of the round, tumama sa baba ni Dagle. Pagsak siya. A beautiful punch. A one-punch knockout scored. At sinabi ni referee Jojo Lalera, sandali, bibilangan ko ito. He got up at the count of 6. But hindi natuwid ang lakad ni Dagle, so referee Llanera wisely and prudently stopping the fight and awarding a TKO victory to Mark Angel Sadang, a TKO winner in the 3rd round over Wendell Dagle.
Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here in partnership with San Miguel.
Ano lang, yung technique, kulang ko sa technique. Yung bilis sa kanya. Hindi para makakang sa hirap. Ano lang, training lang na maayos.
Ang dami kong natutunan sa experience, tsaka ang unang-una yung experience, tsaka yung hindi ko ma-express eh. Yung mga natutunan. Madami lang.
At nandito po tayo sa Quezon City, blow by blow, Bernardo Park Covered Court, Barangay Kamuning, in Quezon City. Naku, mga kaboxing, mga ka-blow by blow natin, lahat yan, mga kaibigan. Naku, mga lola, nandito din, kasama natin. Yun. Yung mga nagkakaibigan dyan. Kumusta kayong lahat? Blow by Blow welcomes you to our weekly show. Naku, huwag niyong kalilimutan. Palagi niyong panonoodin. Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Next fight po natin, 4-rounder in the welterweight division. Tumitimbang ng 147 pounds. Jemuel Galabay from Peñaleso Boxing Gym kontra Dan Dacles ng Elorde Fight Team Sukat Parañaque. Ito po ang ating tail of the tape. Pareho po silang 21 years old. Malalaki po sila. Si Galabay is a southpaw. Orthodox fighter naman si Dan Dacles. At taga Sambuanga, Sambanguita, Negros Oriental si Galabay. At Katbalogan Samar naman si Dan Dacles. Okay. Magandang laban po ito because they involve big boys in the welterweight division. Okay, ito po ang ating ring announcer, Bobby Mondejar.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Dan Dacles. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Jemuel Galabay. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here at Barangay Kamuning, Quezon City. In partnership with San Miguel Beer, in coordination with Barangay Chairwoman Army Castel and Kagawad Joey De Dios. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 146.8 pounds. He has a record of no win, no loss, 2 draws. Fighting out of Elorde Fight Team, Sukat Parañaque City. Ladies and gentlemen, Dan Dacles. Dacles. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 146.8 pounds. He has a record of 1 win, no loss. Fighting out of Peñalosa Boxing Gym, Libis, Quezon City. Ladies and gentlemen, Jemuel Galabay. Galabay. Judges at ringside, Jojo Llanera, Elmer Costillas, and attorney Akil Tamano. Third man in the ring, referee Al Llaneta. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing.
Okay, laging makinig. 4 na rounds sa paglalabanan, okay? Ingat sa headbutt, ingat sa elbow. Ang suntok sa katawan hanggang belt line lang. Sa baba, bawal. Sa itaas, okay. Maliwanag? Okay, task na para malinis ang laban. Good luck.
Battle of the Big Boys. Mga kasama,
First round.
this is in the welterweight division. Pareho po silang blow-by-blow babies. Si Galabay, he's wearing the red gloves with the black trunks. His first fight was a knockout win over Michael Agustin. That was on blow-by-blow. At si Dan Duckless naman, the boy wearing the yellow gloves, has fought twice. Pareho pong draw. Pareho pong aired on blow-by-blow. His last fight was in July. Brandon Lucas po, nakalaban po niya. Majority draw over 4 rounds. Dan Duckless, Galabay, pareho po silang undefeated. Pero si Duckless, no wins, no loss, 2 draw. Si Galabay naman, 1 win, no loss, no draw, 1 knockout. Ayan po, Galabay versus Duckless. Galabay po is the southpaw, leading off with the right hand. Duckless shooting that left jab. Galabay looking a little more aggressive than Duckless. Kulang lang sa hand speed si Galabay. And Duckless should be able to anticipate yung pagpasok ng mga suntok ni Jemuel Galabay. Nice left jab coming from Duckless. Parang slow motion kung sumuntok si Galabay. And Duckless should be able to take advantage.
Oh, break! Okay, fight.
Maski na nga slow motion ang mga suntok ni Galabay, kung tumama, masasaktan din si Duckless. So, importante dito yung accuracy ni Galabay. At dapat volume punching. Swinging left coming from Duckless na wala naman tinamaan. Nice right hand by Galabay. Oops, si Duckless on the attack now. Might have hurt Galabay. Now remember, Galabay has 1 win and that was by a knockout. Ito si Duckless. He's going all out. Natamaan niya ng maganda. Si Galabay, under fire, under attack. Ito si Galabay. Mukha yata napagod si Duckless sa atake niya. Pati din si Galabay. Malalaki ito. They're both 147-pounders.
Break!
That's the end of round number 1. Yan po si Galabay. Getting attended to by his cornerman, si Jay Naz. Ang cornerman po ni Jemuel Galabay. Magandang laban ito because this pits the fighters from 2 boxing legends, Peñalosa and Elorde. Ito po ang ating punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Look at the wild swings. Wild and wide swings galing kay Galabay. At ito naman yung atake ni Duckless. Punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer.
Hands out.
Okay, yan po si Duckless. Inaakma ang kanyang mouthpiece.
Doon. Second round.
Panapansin natin, isa sa cornerman ni Galabay, si boxer Teodoro Atienza, also of the Peñalosa Boxing Gym. Ka-stablemate po sila out of Libis, Quezon City. Okay. Right-hander si Duckless. Tapos naman kaliwete ito si Jemuel Galabay. Kumaka-counter dito si Galabay. Iniintay niyang pumasok si Duckless. Nakaabang siya. Duckless. Hindi lang po dilaw ang kanyang gloves. Pati buhok niya, dilaw din. Oh, nice shots coming from Duckless. That left jab is a stinging left jab. Oh! Maganda yung right hand. Connected there by Duckless. Missing with the left. Galabay parang Malakas ang respeto niya dito kay Douglas. Mukhang tinamaan siya sa katawan. He backed off for a while. Douglas looks like the more powerful of the two. Left hand connected there by Galabay. Those are big shots. Being connected by Douglas. Left to the side of the body by Douglas. Galabay throwing that right hand a little more consistently now. And then the left hand. Oh, right hand connected there by Douglas. That shook up Galabay. And here's Douglas on the attack. And he knows he's got Galabay hurt. There's a right hand connected once more by Douglas. And Galabay is taking a lot of shots. Nakalagay po sa waistband ni Galabay, King. Ano kaya? Will he emerge still the king in this fight? Or will he be dethroned? Douglas connecting with some big shots in this round.
Bawal.
Galabay looks like he's weathered the storm. Inilagan niya yung right hand ni Douglas. Pasayaw-sayaw ito si Douglas. Very confident. 10-second clapper now. But this round will go to Douglas for sure. Ito ang end of the round. Douglas versus Galabay. Po si Douglas. Naku, ipit na ipit ang mouthpiece ni Douglas. Sana naman hindi sumama yung mga ngipin ni Douglas sa pagtatanggal ng kanyang mouthpiece. Yan po si Dan Douglas. Biro lang mga kasama. Ito naman po ang punch of the round. Yun! Ang magandang kanan galing kay Douglas. Watch it from another angle. Yun! First the left to the side of the body and in combination with the right hand to the face. Tapos a left hand connected to the face of Galabay. Ito mga kasama natin, mga kaibigan natin, si Kagawad Joey De Dios, Honorable Barangay Chairperson si Army Castel, Attorney Miggy Suntay, Kagawad John Abad. Maraming salamat po for your warm welcome dito po sa Bernardo Park Covered Court, Barangay Kamuning, Quezon City. Round number 3 na po tayo. Plodder ito si Douglas. Walang masyadong footwork but he is a plodder.
Ulo ha, ingat sa ulo. Okay.
Throwing some big shots is Douglas. He's clearly intimidating Galabay. Galabay pushing him away. Alam ni Galabay, he lost that previous round. So, he's got to cover some lost ground. Ito, sumusutok kayo siya ng marami-rami. Left hand connected by Douglas. And the left hand also connected by Galabay.
Oh, break. Step back. Okay. Fine.
Galabay, iniunahan niya si Douglas sa pagsusuntok dito. So earlier we saw him countering, waiting for Douglas to come in. Ngayon naman, siya nag-i-initiate. But kulang pa sa consistency. Yan ang sinasabi natin. He's got to initiate. Throw some shots. Kulang susuntok si Galabay. He's got to make up. Douglas. Isang malakas na suntok ang hinahanap dito ni Douglas. Yun na naman. Right hand by Douglas. And then he comes charging in. Backing off. sporadic bursts by both these fighters. Parang napapagod na yung dalawa. Wala nang rhythm yung mga suntok nila. Pati yung mga suntok ni Galabay parang kulang na sa power. Duckless, binababa na yung kanyang dalawang kamay. Ito parang biglang pumutok doon si Duckless. Oh, nice shot to the body by Duckless. Left hand coming from Galabay. End of round number 3.
Last round.
Punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Ito yung kanan, galing kay Duckless. Di naman solid yung tama doon. And then, missing with the left. And then the right, also missing. Galabay, not finding the mark. Mga kasama natin dito sa Bernardo Park covered court, enjoying the action on Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Series of punches scored there by Duckless. That was a big one.
Okay.
Duckless attacking the body of Galabay. Parang punching bug ang tinatamaan ni Duckless. Well, with the way this fight is going, mukhang Duckless is finally going to break into the win column. After 2 fights, both of them draws. Hinahanap niya ang kanyang first professional victory. It could come in this fight.
Oh, break. Sige. Siko, ingat Siko.
Unless
Ingat Siko. Sige, go.
disaster happens. Missing badly that time, si Galabay. Nawala na yung timing ni Galabay dito. Here's Duckless, connecting with the right hand. And that head movement ni Duckless, not making him an easy target para kay Galabay.
Stop.
There's
Naku,
loose
naku,
tape
naku.
on the glove
Bilis.
of Galabay. And referee Alyanita calling on the cornerman to take out that loose tape.
Okay, nunod ka.
Okay,
Time in. Go.
Doing some swaying now is Dan Duckless. No doubt just coasting along. Mukhang pareho silang pagod na pagod. Yung bibig ni Duckless is wide open. He's not throwing any shots at this point. Both his arms are down. Now they're up again. At nakita ni Galabay na mukhang pagod na si Duckless. So now it's his turn to show what he's got.
Oy, taas. Oh, no, okay. Hey.
That's a 10-second clapper. Dalawang overhand right na tumama doon for Galabay. But this fight is now about to end. It has ended. Tapos na po ang laban, and Galabay embracing Dan Duckless. I think this is going to be a victory for Dan Duckless. Again, si Duckless is from the Elorde fight team ng Sukat. At si Galabay naman from Peñalosa. Both fighters carrying the names of two legendary fighters. Peñalosa and Elorde. Flash Elorde, of course, reigned from 1960 to 1967 as a world junior lightweight champion. At the Peñalosa brothers, two of them were two division world champions, Donny Boy at saka si Jerry. At ang kanilang kapatid na si Jonathan once fought for the WBC Flyweight Championship. Ito po yung patama ni Galabay. That's two overhand rights to end the fight. And at that point, si Dan Dakles was coasting along. So konting conditioning pa, both these fighters. This was for 4 rounds. Palagay ko kung mag-6 rounder na itong dalawa, baka maubusan na. They need to be able to work on that stamina. Yan po si Samuel Galabay, just kneeling down to say a prayer of thanks that natapos yung laban, neither fighter injured, neither fighter harmed in any way. Dan Dakles, nagsuot na ng kanyang t-shirt. Okay, ito na po si Bobby Mandahar for the official verdict.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, we have a winner. Judge Llanera scored it 38-38. Judge Costilla scored it 40-36. Dan Dakles. Judge Tamano scored it 40-36 for Dan Dakles. Winner by majority decision, Dan Dakles.
Si Dakles po nanalo by a majority decision. One judge, Soto Llanera, had it a draw, 38-all. But the two other judges had it a shutout, 40-36. Costillas and Tamano giving it to Dan Dakles, who certainly deserved the victory. A 4-round unanimous decision. Yan po ang unang-unang panalo ni Dakles as a professional. Makikita na po natin yung mga highlights ng laban. Dakles versus Galabay. A slow start by both these fighters, but Dakles, you see him there on the attack. Round number 2. Oh, nice shot coming from Dakles to the side of the body. Ininda yun ni Galabay, he had to back off. And then a right hand connected to the side of the face by Dakles. Some powerful shots. And in round number 3, yun, tinamaan na naman si Galabay ni Dakles. And round number 4, hindi na masyadong sumutok dito si Dakles. He knew he was ahead. So he was just coasting along. Yan yung overhand right, dalawang overhand right na tumama para kay Galabay to end the fight. But not enough to turn the tide. Dan Dakles, the winner by a majority decision over Samuel Galabay.